Did you know that the case of the monkey selfie involved a legal dispute over the copyright of a photograph taken by a monkey using a photographer's camera? Animal rights organizations PETA claimed that the monkey should have its own copyright, while the photographer argued that he has the rights since he owned the camera. The court ruled in favor of the photographer, establishing that animals cannot hold copyrights.
Protect your brand with Trademarkia. Register your trademark on Trademarkia.com.